Example 14. A hexagonal prism of side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long is resting on its base on HP and one of its rectangular faces is parallel to VP. An inclined section plane cuts the prism at a distance of 12 mm from the top base. If the cutting plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined at 30 degree to HP, draw the projections of the solid. So here the solid given is hexagonal prism with side 30 mm and height 60 mm. It is resting on HP with its base and one of the rectangular faces is parallel to VP. So this is a simple case of a hexagonal prism directly resting with its base on HP. So the top view will be a hexagon and the front view will contain rectangles. But here one more criteria is there. One of the rectangular faces should be parallel to VP. And the section plane here is 12 mm away from the top base and it is inclined to HP at an angle of 30 degree. So these are the important things here. It is an inclined section plane with respect to HP and it is 12 mm away from the base. So we will see now how to imagine this. Now you can see on your screen hexagonal prism directly resting with its base on HP. You can observe from the top view one of the edges is parallel to VP. So here both conditions are satisfied. This is the front view, 3 rectangles, and top view will have hexagon as usual. And when coming to our section plane, inclined to HP. But here first I will bring the section plane parallel to HP. Sorry, the section plane is given inclined, but here we are first imagining it to be parallel to HP, so that we can make an inclination. So we are tilting it. Now you see that I am tilting the angle of the section plane. So here you go. Let us say this is the 12 mm distance from the top base. So this is going to be our final front view, and you can see if you cut with the section plane, this is going to be your top view. You can see some portion in yellowish color which remains even after cutting. So I'll erase the planes here. Now you can see. So now I will erase the planes. As you can see now, this is going to be our final front view and top view. As you can see, now we will draw this in the drawing sheet.
We'll first draw the top view, the hexagon. This is straight line. For example, if your XY line is somewhere here, you can see that this line is parallel. One of the faces of this hexagon is parallel to this. Now I will mark points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 corner points of the base. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and 5 dash. This is 4 dash. This is 6 dash. When coming to our main question, that is the section it is mentioned that the section plane is 30° inclined to HP. So, and it is 12 mm from the top base. So from the top base I have marked 12 mm and I have drawn one line here. See, this distance is 12 mm from the top base, and now we will place the protector there and the axis as 30°. So this is going to be our section plane, which we can draw with H pencil. So this indicates that the portion has actually been removed. This means this upper portion has been removed, and whatever left we can dark only this portion. And also these edges. And now when coming to our sectional top view, we see that all of this portion has been removed, only this portion is being left. For this reason I am going to project from the section view these points, and just this portion will be left and all this portion will be in your hatching lines, because this all been removed. I am setting the drafter to 45° again, and now I will go for the hatching part. You can start wherever you want. And now I will dark only this portion, because this has been actually been removed, and this and so our figure number 14 is completed. And as for the dimensioning part, you can give the angle here, which is 30°, and the axis side and the base side.
This is the final solution of example number 14. As you can see here, when the inclined sectional plane cuts the prism here, this portion was left and all this in hatching lines, because this section has been removed, this portion has been removed. And you can observe 12 mm here